can you solve this Math Olympiad question? So we have this Math Olympiad question. X raised to x equals 2 raised to 2x plus 8. And we are asked to find the value of x. So here is the solution. First, we are going to simplify the right side of the equation. So to do that, we are going to use the law of exponent. So specifically, we are going to use this rule: a raised to m plus n equals a raised to m times a raised to n. Okay? So the right side of the equation can be written as 2 raised to 2x multiplied by 2 raised to 8. Also, this 2 raised to 2x can be expressed as the quantity 2 squared raised to x. So simplifying this, we have 2 squared, which is 4 raised to x. Now, the original equation becomes x raised to x equals 4 raised to x times 2 raised to 8. Now, the next thing to do is to isolate x terms. So to do that, we are going to divide both sides by 4 raised to x. So the purpose is that the right side of the equation becomes a constant. Okay? So dividing both sides by 4 raised to x, this equation becomes x raised to x divided by 4 raised to x equals 2 raised to 8. Now, we are going to use this law of exponent. So if you have a raised to n divided by b raised to n, they have the same power or exponent. This can be expressed as the quantity a over b raised to the power n. Now, using this, the left side of the equation becomes x over 4 quantity raised to x. And the right side of the equation is retained. Now, the next thing to do is to adjust the base and exponent of the equation. Now, to do that, we are going to raise both sides of the equation to the power of 1 over 4. Okay? So the left side is quantity x over 4 raised to x, and then we are going to raise that to 1/4. And the right side of the equation is also raised to 1 over 4. Now, we are going to use this law of exponent, okay, the power of a power rule. If you have quantity a raised to m and then raised to n, that can be expressed as a raised to m multiplied by n. Now, using that, the left side of the equation becomes the quantity x over 4 raised to x times 1/4. How about the right side? The right side of the equation becomes 2 raised to 8 multiplied by 1/4. Now, simplifying the left and the right side of the equation, we have the quantity x over 4 raised to x over 4 equals 2 raised to 2 because 8 divided by 4 is 2. Now, from this equation, we can already have this value of x, right? So we can solve this by inspection. We can clearly see that x is equal to 8. But we can express x over 4 as y. So we have y raised to y here, which is equal to 2 squared. So eventually, y raised to y, and this is 2 raised to 2, meaning y is equal to 2. And since we express y be equal to x over 4, so x over 4 is equal to 2. And solving for x by cross multiplication, x is equal to 8. Now, we can verify our solution if that is really correct. So, go back to the original equation. You have x raised to x. So, that is 8 raised to 8 equals 2 raised to 2x. So, that would be 2 raised to, this 8 raised to 8 can be expressed as 2 raised to 3, then raised to 8, and that is 2 raised to 24. Okay? Now, that can be written as 2 raised to 2 times 8 plus 8. And the right side of the equation is 2 raised to 16 plus 8. So that is 2 raised to 16 plus 8. And that is really the same as the left side and the right side of the equation. Hence, our answer, x is equal to 8, is Correct.